day 3.
And
Nobody showed up today.
I had sent a text in the morning to the contractor saying that their subs took the site plans with them and that they need to be returned to the house, as the inspector said they need to be here at all times. And he hadn't yet decided whether or not he was going to fine the construction company for that or not. And they had replied that yes, they had spoken to the subs and that is they're taking care of that matter and they will be returned. So closing it with the text, I said, and nobody showed up here today, so what is going on? Let us know. And
So they did respond saying, of course, they took care of it, but they did respond as to why no one showed up, why the schedule wasn't updated, or what was going on. And I think I don't know why I was so hesitant to really hound them about that. I don't know if it's because I trust them or because I'm afraid to say anything. I feel really stupid.
they should know that we're upset. And perhaps that's why they're not reaching out to us. I'm not really sure.
I don't know. It's just really weird because I just don't understand about the lack of communication. I mean, we have great communication all this time with them, and then we start the project, and all of a sudden the communication is totally off. I mean, that's the reason that we have this wonderful program that puts a schedule up and there's messaging. So I don't know what's going on.
We hate to think it's a case of signing a contract and, then they go about taking care of other things.
I hope not.
I hope not too.
I hope they don't think that we're like too small of a job.
Right. So, we'll wait to hear from them and cross our fingers. Yeah. And on to day 4. Hopefully day 4 is much better than day 3.
End of day 3.